Hi everybody, this is Farouk, the one behind the website knowmyself.com that gets 500,000 visits each month, that has got 12 million visits so far, and that is among the top 100k websites on the internet according to Alexa rating services. Why do certain negative comments make you feel bad? Why do certain events change your mood and let you feel down? Why do certain problems give you a hard time? Why do some people rise up right after being knocked down, and why do some people remain down? The answer is that you are not emotionally strong. As humans, we are all vulnerable and we have weaknesses, and this is a fact that cannot be changed. But what you can change is that you can become emotionally strong so that you can rise after being knocked down instead of remaining down. If you want to become emotionally strong, then the first thing you should be doing is to ask yourself the question, why do certain negative comments and events make you feel bad? The answer lies in 3 points. The first is that you are afraid of the future. If, for example, you were not satisfied with your weight and someone gave you a bad comment about your weight, for example, if he told you that you aren't doing any progress or you aren't losing any weight, most probably this comment will make you feel bad because it will trigger some questions like, am I moving in the right direction? Do I know how to lose weight? Am I wasting my time, or is the diet program I am following effective? These questions will trigger doubt about the future and they will make you feel bad. So the first reason you feel down right after a certain comment is being worried about the future. The second reason is that you are afraid that this event repeats itself. If, for example, you messed things up, if you tried to deliver a presentation and you failed and people didn't like it, then most probably you are going to be afraid that this situation repeats itself in the future. And that's the second reason that lets you feel bad right after a certain event happens. The third reason is that you might not have a solution to the problem. For example, if someone told you that you are a boring person, that they don't like you, most probably you are going to feel bad because you don't know how to solve that problem. After all, if someone made fun of your shirt because of a newly acquired stain, then most probably you will be able to go home and clean it, and so you will never feel bad. But if someone told you something like you are boring, you might never be able to solve that problem because you don't have a clue, and so you will feel bad. So those are the 3 reasons that make people feel bad right after a certain event or a critical comment. So how to become emotionally strong? The first thing you need to do is to reassure your mind that this thing or this event is not going to reoccur again, and that if it happened, you are going to handle it correctly. Promising yourself that this will never happen again is a good thing, but your subconscious mind will never become convinced until you provide it with a solid clue. You have to show your subconscious mind that you are developing certain skills that will prevent this thing from happening again. For example, if you had a fight with a person, and if that person punched you in your face, and if you didn't manage to do anything to him, then you will feel bad about that event whenever you remember it. But if later on you started learning martial arts, you started learning how to defend yourself, then this problem will never bother you, and you won't be afraid that this occurs once again in the future. And so you'll be reassuring your subconscious mind that this will never happen again. The second thing you can do in order to become emotionally strong is to learn yourself, how to educate yourself whenever you need information that can help you solve a certain problem. For example, if someone gave you a negative remark about your weight, then you must learn how to educate yourself about weight loss methods. You must learn how to ask professionals for information. You must learn how to gather the right information that will help you solve the problem. Instead of being helpless, instead of going home and crying, or instead of feeling bad, you have to learn how to get out of the helplessness zone and how to search for the information that will help you solve that problem. The third thing you need to do in order to become emotionally strong is to learn how to respond quickly. If something bad happened or if a bad event happened, then you must learn how to not throw the problem behind your back and how to respond in a quick manner. You don't have to respond the same day, but at least within the same week. At least you should come up with a plan that would prevent this problem from happening again. Else, the problems will accumulate and you will be feeling bad throughout your life. That was all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you want more information, feel free to visit me on my website www.knowmyself.com, and feel free to join my YouTube channel by clicking on that green box in here. Have a great day.